Hi, students. So just to explain the final steps in fixing or finalizing your project. So make sure that on Teams, you're looking for the Chapter 7 America's brochure project. You can open it in Teams or however your usual preferred method is. And on Teams is all your directions here. Make sure you guys are reading this introduction and going through that. As far as getting to the to Canva, you just would type in canva.com, sign up just like you sign up for any other website, use your email. You can either use a personal email or a school email. Doesn't matter to me because ultimately you're going to be downloading your thing and uploading it to, sorry, hopefully you guys can hear that background noise or something very loud outside. If I was to go to Canva and I land on here, I could click these buttons. Eventually I scroll over and I can see brochure, or I can search brochure up here. So I'll open up one that I was playing around with. So the nice thing about this is, so there's different ways to do it. You can do a blank one, but if you do template, so like let's say I'm going to do travel, and I'm just gonna do that. So take over. Okay. So the templates are nice because it's all set up for you, just like a brochure is supposed to be. And remember, a brochure is just like a folded up little, like a travel guide almost, or trying to say like, hey, here's the cool things you do if you come to this place. So under photos, like if you search in, if I typed in Inca, right, I could have these different things pop up. And I can just click and drag it, and it will actually replace these pictures for me, which is really nice. That's one nice thing about the templates. You can type in all the information you want in that as far as that goes. So the directions are more specifics, like make sure you're using first person, trying to write at least 6 sentences. The rubric is just kind of your short guide. So you might want to start by looking at the rubric, and then you can come back and you can double check exactly what the specifics of that were. So one of the things that I think is going to be important, so for the sections, it has to be more than 6 sections of information. So 3 of those will be the pictures, and then another 3 will be your writing. So you're not supposed to put all your writing into one section. You got to split it up, right? Your 7 or more sentences. So think about how you're going to divide it up, what you're going to put where. Make sure you're including the 3 pictures. And again, these are all exceeds expectations. So if you want to get max points, you do that. But just making sure that you guys are finishing this up. Remember, all your information is, you scroll down, it's all attached in one document, all the text. If you're doing the Maya, Aztec, or Inca, just keep scrolling down. You need to do at least one outside source. Please don't just Google it and copy information from the front page. Please click on the website, double check it, and you'll include that link in a box at the top of the reading, and we'll be checking that as well. So make sure you guys are carefully following these directions. Make sure that you're double checking it, that you don't rush through it. And then once you're done, you'll hit download, this little download button here, and do the PDF print. And you can hit download, and it'll save it for you. And this next little screen that pops up, it's going to have, so you can save however you want. It does not matter to me how you save it, but make sure, desktop is usually the easiest, or save it in downloads, wherever you keep, your important files. Then once you do that, you'll go to Teams, and I had to use an example because I can actually see this from my side. This is a student-only thing that you can see. So when you click on the assignment, like right here, you guys will have a button that says Add Work, and that is where you'll upload your project once it is done. So make sure you guys are doing that. Make sure you're following all the steps and being really careful. And if you have any questions, please message me.